welcome.
I'm just gonna troll him a little bit. You guys, everyone, he's actually working today. He's doing some work. Help me help you.
Got a new big brake setup from a company called APG. They sent me out like a complete set. Like I got brakes, rotors, a whole bunch of hardware that comes with it, I think, and new stainless steel brake lines. But I have to unbox it, and I guess I can do that with you all here now. All right, I kind of cheated, just so you guys know. I couldn't resist.
Comes with a little grommet.
And it's...
You don't need these because yours are different.
So, I guess it comes, they sent me rotors, brakes, and damn, yo, these joints are legit. So they give you 2-piece rotors, which are massive. Brake lines.
Front brake line.
Yep. Get out of here.
What's in the box?
What color is that?
The light blue?
Aquamarine.
So, let's come in close and show you guys.
You should set it on this table.
Nice quality. Comes with brake pads.
Look at this, yeah, look at this. This is the cool part.
What?
3 Johnnies per side.
Yeah, super legit.
Let me feel this one.
Feel that.
Damn, that's light as hell. This is definitely billet aluminum. Just CNC thing. That's it.
Well, the package comes with if you order it. 330 millimeter rotor, 2-piece rotor, and a very nice caliper.
How many pistons?
6 pistons, 6 puck caliper, brake lines, hardware, and then I gotta figure out where I put my pamphlet, but they gave me air fresheners too, which is pretty interesting. Man, that's gonna look so good.
There's your thumbnail. First thing you do, get your mission metal gloves.
Show them the gloves right quick.
They see the gloves.
Go ahead with your bad self. Protect
You
your
probably honestly just use a little impact. Shit, might as well just put these in the other boxes.
fresh NSX rotor.
Fresh.
Alright, so right now we're getting the under the carriage look. Currently removing the brake line.
Ah.
Seems like Greg is going through it.
Looks like you're rubbing. Okay, brake line. My shoulder's tired. The end of the brake line that goes to the body. But we figured take it off because it doesn't seem to matter to that. We're gonna fish it through this hole. Can you get that?
No, hold up.
Can you get it from the front side?
Get it from up your shoulder. Alright, there you go.
And then put the nut on top to sandwich it in there. And then this one's actually part of the fitting. So you can put a wrench on there, unlike what I was doing before, where it was just spinning with it. Hold that wrench, tighten that down, and then this is stuck, and then you can crank down that brake line. Very good work, fellas.
Alright, so we're gonna come back with detail on the other side because we have to do a little R&D on installation. Shout out to all of our brains, mainly Tim.
All of our brains.
3 brains work better than 1, but 90% of that 3 brain was Tim and Greg. And I don't.
90% of 3 brains was 2 people.
You sound yourself a little short, but okay, I'm not gonna complain.
Oh, what's up, y'all? Here I have the old Brembo caliper from a TLS that I had retrofitted on the car. And for those that are curious to how to make these work with your own S2000, basically you just need to mill off the ear, which is where the caliper bolts up at, to 17.25 millimeters. That's like the final measurement that you need. Just tell your machine shop, mill these down to 17.25. And that's if you want to run an NSX rotor, which I did right here. Reason why I'm upgrading because I want a bigger rotor. The rotors I have now are 330 millimeters and NSX rotors are only like 298. But if you want to retain the S2000 rotors, just mill down 7 millimeters from the original TLS Brembo caliper, which again is this. And I retapped the threads with Big Certs inserts so I can retain the OEM bolts from the S2000. Because if not, you have to like mess with your hub, and why you want to do that? Because then after you get tired of these, you can't really do nothing because they're just stuck to TLS stuff. Man, that was a lot of breath. So, in the meantime, we're going to be removing the old brakes and rotors and replacing it with APG big brake kit. 1 million years later.
The brake line is off. Did you get it off the back of the caliper yet? Good job. You're getting it. Great work.
Dude, I do this. I work on cars all the time.
Do it for Madden. Have you seen that video?
Nah. I seen
Greg
it.
Jennings.
Oh no, yeah, I did.
Madden, he's like, he broke his fucking leg. Greg Jennings.
I hope no brake fluid dropped my eye. Oh, ew.
Yo, hit that.
Man, that shit dripping on my arm.
Get the caliper off. You're like, hope no brake fluid drops in my eye, and then you'd go right under the caliper and look up.
You had an unfair advantage. My head would not fit.
I'm a ghost. Xavier did it.
Alright, so basically you want to put your bracket with, I don't know how to describe this, but put the bolts.
Bracket on the outside of the knuckle, the bolt through the back side of the knuckle. Then you lock tight your bolts. That's plenty of Loctite. That's a lot.
Make sure I'm locked in. Put this wheel on.
Topping her off with that original Brem fluid, liquid deframe brake fluid. Blake fluid. I can't talk.
Are you speaking German or something?
I don't know. You tell me. You tell me, fam.
Somebody says
Brem Flugelsweg. Blake fluid. So you do 3 pumps and then hold it?
yeah. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm getting like a leg day workout right now.
That's good.
Calves about to be super strong.
Smoke?
What color of smoke was that?
All black. Ice, baby.